Go team draw for Prime Hockey number 2. That's how many times we're gonna hit the randomizer. 8. I swear to God, it's 8 times every time. This is everybody in the break. Thank you, everybody in the break. I appreciate it. Good luck to you. All teams are in, so we'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All mixed up. Tim on bottom. And Sooner Steve. Sooner Steve is on top. Always reminds me of Big Daddy. Scuba Steve. Eight times on the teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. Avalanche on bottom. And the Senators are on top. These are your teams. Sooner Steve has the Ottawa Senators. Shooter got the Blackhawks. Congratulations, buddy. JNC Cards, Kings, Sooner Steve, Coyotes, Bagger, Wild, EDURX, Man, have the New York Rangers, JRT Fitty, Sabres, Edurks, the Lightning, Crazy Carl, the Blue Jackets, Masua, the Flyers. How'd I do? Oh, he's gone now. Oh no, I gave him Mats. Masua. Shooter, Ducks, Slim Shady, the Bruins, MK Card Breaks, the Red Wings, nice for you. I hate them. SB Collins, the Canadiens, Leghorn, the Hurricanes, Shooter, the Thrashers, Riemann, the Blues, Sooner Steve, the Capitals, K Jones, the Flames, Devils, Shooter, Islanders, Hockey on Call, PK Reborn, the Stars, Big Poppy, the Penguins. I have the Predators, Eaters, the Maple Leafs, nice. Hockey on Call, the Panthers, Masua, the Sharks, Crazy Carl, the Vancouver Canucks, and I have the Oilers with Tim getting the Avalanche. Feel free to trade away. Teams will be in the blog section.